Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make French toast. So you're going to start off with 1 cup of milk, then you're going to add 2 eggs to the milk, now you're going to whisk everything together. Now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar of your choice or honey. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of almond essence, some cinnamon powder, and a pinch of nutmeg. Gonna whisk everything together. You're gonna take your bread. On each side, you just dunk it for 10 seconds and then remove your bread from the mixture. Next, you want to make sure that your pot is hot before you add your butter. So you're going to baste the bottom of your pot or your skillet with some butter. So then you're going to add your bread to the pot and let it cook on each side for 7 minutes. Our French toast is done, so I'm just removing them from the pot. There you have it. perfectly made French toast. You can top it with any topping of your choice, including some nice maple syrup. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos like this. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video.